Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Long time no see. I welcome you to my channel where I'll be showing you how I converted this simple notebook into my planner for 2021. Now I've taken this simple notebook which is of $2 approximately, and it's very simple, so it's very affordable as well, and I'll be using simple things, and it is a ruled notebook, so it is available for everyone almost who is going to school or college, and so you can also make it. So let's get started. And after setting up my 2021 planner, it will look like this. Now the first page is this belongs to, and after that I've written my name. I've decorated it with some stickers and as well as some doodling, simple drawings, which is very easy to do, and stationery as well. It's very minimal I've used. Now the next page is the key page, and I've written the keys and decorated with stickers. And the next page is the index. Now every page I have done some doodling so that it looks so cute, and as well as I've kept it very simple. Now the next page is the goodbye 2020. I've written some year in a review, some important events, and I'll be writing the memories. Still have to write, and I have to write a quote of 2020, and I've given space 3 goals for this year. Then keep doing, start doing, and stop doing. And again, this is the quote, space for 2021 and hello 21. Hopefully it will be a good year, since 2020 was not a good year, I think, for everyone. Now the next page is for future logging. I've done the calendars and I've left space at the bottom so that I can write some future logging, and as well as a quote space is there. Now I've decorated it with some stickers, and this is a period tracker. 12 months I'll fill it up, and there is a quote space or some creative space, I can say. Now the next page is the birthday speech. Now I have made it very simple. I've drawn a circle and I've written the months. Then accordingly I've written the birthdays so that I don't forget anyone's birthdays. And then that next page is the passwords and the emails. I'll write some important emails and some passwords. Obviously I'm not going to show anyone because it's secret. And then the next page is for the quotes page for January. I have to write it. And then the monthly spread of January. It's very simple. I've written some important appointments like my daughter's vaccination and birthdays, etc. And it's a very simple spread. And then the habit tracker. I have to track certain habits like learning Korean language and water intake. Likewise exercising, and then the monthly expenses. I'm writing accordingly my expenses, and this is the spread. It's very easy and quick. Now this is the monthly budget. It's necessary so that I can find out how much savings I'm doing. And this is the washi tape swatches, which is incomplete, and I promise I'll be showing you all my washi tape swatches after I complete swatching them. So this is the whole 2021 setup for 21 January. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and comment. Until then, bye.